Hey there, HISD. Today we're talking the Houston Dynamo and Dash. Find out what they're doing for HISD. Plus, the Heights High School Band just made history. Find out what's next. And we're also spotlighting Wisdom High School's CTE program, plus their booming band and dance team. Plus, Bell Elementary's Hispanic Heritage Month celebration and a very important announcement for seniors, free college applications. You need to take advantage right now, though. We'll explain in just a bit. Don't forget that you can skip around to each story in the chapters right below. Let's get started. Today is Tuesday, October 14th. Kicking things off with a huge thank you to two of our hometown teams, the Houston Dynamo and Houston Dash. They've signed on to the Houston Promise to adopt an HISD campus. It's part of our mission to have all A and B rated campuses in HISD by August 2027. Catch the full message from the players up on our channel and social media pages. Now this next story is music to our ears. A big congrats is in order for the Bulldog Band from Heights High School. They shined at the Katy ISD marching contest this past weekend and they really left their mark. So get this, they were the only HISD band to advance to the final round, even outperforming several bands from the Katy and Cy-Fair school districts. Now after an extremely long day from 5 in the morning to almost midnight, our students showed a discipline, talent, and an energy that inspired everyone. Now in the final round, the band placed 12th. We want to congratulate these young musicians that is, their color guard team and their directors. Now the Bulldogs' next band event is on October 21st at the UIL Marching Contest at Katy's Legacy Stadium. They'll be aiming for a spot in the area competition and we certainly want to wish them the best of luck. And continuing to celebrate excellence across HISD, we're highlighting Wisdom High School all this week for our Campus Close-Up series, a now B-rated campus. And you can feel the positive energy around the school. In fact, when we got there, we were greeted by an awesome performance from the band and the Starlet dance team. That's today's news story that we just uploaded to the channel. I talked to students and the band director on how this growing program is spreading school spirit. And students tell me they love it. Go check out that story right now on the channel. And tomorrow we're diving into the school's very large career and technical education program, or CTE. Now thanks to this program, students are graduating from Wisdom with much more than just a high school diploma. And the school has a new goal that they're aiming for this year. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss that story. Also new to the channel, go check out how Bell Elementary celebrated Hispanic Heritage Month with pride and purpose. It was a beautiful community celebration that parents and students collaborated on. High school seniors, this is your week to apply to college for free. Take a look right here. From right now through the weekend, all Texas public colleges and universities are waiving their application fees. Now be sure to take advantage of the first ever free college application week and make sure you submit yours by Sunday at midnight. Just go to applytexas.org. We also have more info up on our social media pages. Well, that does it for us today. As always, we appreciate you connecting with us. Also, don't forget that you can connect with any department in the district from our website. That's houstonisd.org. Just click Contact HISD at the top and you'll be redirected to this page with quick access buttons to help you reach exactly who you need. Also, make sure you're subscribed to HISD Now on YouTube. We'll see you back here tomorrow.